Hello boys and girls, moms and daddies, welcome to Salty Tales. Today is a beautiful day in Florida and we decided to go with something that is a staple on the Mexican cuisine. Fajitas, guys. Fajitas is something that you can see, you can hear. It's an assault to the sense. It's amazing. It's something that is really good and everybody should try it. And today we're gonna get flat meat, we're gonna marinate that baby up, and we're gonna put it on the grill and make some crazy fajitas for you guys that I know you are going to like it. So, let's go.
If you're making fajitas, the first thing you should do is create your marinade so you can put your meat in there and let it marinate for a while in the fridge. In here, the first thing we're gonna do is grab our cilantro and cut it up really thin. This is gonna take you a while, but work on it, make sure that everything is cut up really nice and small. And after you're done with it, just put it on the bowl and let's keep adding ingredients into it. Into this marinade, we're also gonna add 3 garlic cloves. That is gonna bring a lot of flavor into it. A teaspoon of cumin is also going into the bowl. A teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. A teaspoon of salt. After that, we're gonna add about half a cup of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're gonna use the zest of this whole lime, and also we're gonna use the juice of it. And the last thing we're gonna add is 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. After everything is being added into the mix, let's just mix this baby up well and let's let it rest for a little bit. And for the meat for the fajitas, we're gonna use these beautiful sirloin flats steaks, guys. Look at the marbling on these babies. This is full of flavor and the cooking in this baby is minimal. I'm gonna show you how it is. We're gonna go over this real quick because it's really easy and really fun and everybody should be able to do it. But first, let's marinate these babies up. To marinate these steaks is really easy, guys. All you have to do is put it in the marinade and make sure that it gets complemented on every corner. And there is no science into this one, guys. All you have to do is make sure that both of the steaks get covered as much as possible with the marinade. Maybe if you need a little bit more olive oil, just put a little bit more. That's not a problem at all. These babies are gonna go into the fridge for about 4 hours, and there's where the magic happens, guys. Don't worry too much about it. Just make sure it's covered up. Make sure that all those spices are pretty much everywhere on the steak, and let it be. Now we're gonna get these babies into the fridge as I told you. We're gonna give it about 4 hours so I get to rest a little bit, and then we're gonna light up that grill, guys. For this flat steak, guys, there is not a lot to do. All you have to do is put it on the side. I'm gonna give it about 10 minutes in here. I'm just gonna close the lid on it and wait. I'm not gonna measure temperature or anything else. All I'm gonna do is give it those 10 minutes, and after that, I'm just gonna sear them right on top of the fire. As you can see, they are really simple to make, and all it takes is about 15 minutes. I'm gonna give it about 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes on the searing part, and you see the colors when they come out. The term that I'm looking with these steaks will be about medium rare. If you want any other term, all you have to do is play with the time in the searing. If you want it more cook, more time in the searing. If you want it less cook, less time in the searing. But let's stop talking about these things and let's get into it, man. Alright, the steaks are ready and all we have to do now is to cut them. Remember, the fibers in these steaks goes this way, so you would always cut against the fiber. What I did is I just got a piece of the steak and cut it against the fibers, and as you can see, that steak came out of perfection. Look at the juices in that steak, look at the color on that steak, everything is perfect in there, and I know these are gonna be some amazing fajitas, guys. And last but not least, we're gonna get the tortillas ready. I didn't find corn tortillas, which are my favorite, in the supermarket today, so I got these ones that are out of flour. But you know, if you don't have anything else, what are you gonna do? Besides that, I'm the only one eating tortillas today, so let's get these babies ready to go. The first thing to do with tortilla is pretty simple, guys. All you have to do is grab your tortilla, put your meat in there, And let's add some pico de gallo that I made when everything was cooking. I know I didn't put a lot of cilantro into it. Forgive me guys, but I don't like a lot of raw cilantro. So let's get into it, baby.
Alright guys, these fajitas are done. This thing is so good. I tasted a few of these little pieces of meat, man, and it's amazing. You want to give it a try?
It looks beautiful.
No.
This is one of my favorite. This is flat meat, right?
Churrasco.
Churrasco. Love it.
There is no way you can make the churrasco wrong. Hey, look who's here.
Oh my God, Scooby-Doo.
I haven't said delicious yet.
Papa. What do you put in it?
Ah, magic.
It tastes so good. What is it? No, seriously, what is it?
The brown sugar. The brown sugar, guys. The brown sugar is the one that make it really, really tasty and really, really good.
I know it tastes awesome, but I'm in the keto.
It was just a little bit. It's not. I mean,
Let me drink some water.
there is nothing else here with carbs, so it's not gonna be a problem for you.
Okay. I'm very serious about it, guys, so follow me on my journey.
All right, guys, I think it's time to give it a good try. Let's get a fajita here.
I'm gonna make me my keto fajita. I'm just gonna get a beautiful lettuce leaf. I'm gonna fix it in here.
Okay,
So
wait for you.
let me put slice in here. Look how beautiful. Look at the colors, how pretty.
Go for it, man. I'm
Let's
dying
go.
here, waiting for your keto fajita. Come on. Oh, man. Oh, man.
That's so good. You know what? Even the lettuce, a lot of people think that lettuce tastes like nothing. To me, it does has a flavor. And the combination of the churrasco, unbelievable.
Guys, that meat is delicious.
Really good.
This fajita came out amazing. I'm gonna give this one a delicious, brother.
Good job, honey.
There you go. All right, I'll give you a little piece. All right, there you go.
There you go. One piece for Scooby-Doo.
If you like it, please hit it with a like.
Yes, please.
If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to the channel.
Yes.
And if you have anything to say, anything to comment about, please put it down there. See you in the next one.
We love you.